Hey everyone, Brian here.
And I'm Eyad.
Recently, like many of you, we've been stuck at home with not much to do, because of what's going on in the world. But recently, we decided to get a little something to break up the boredom, to do something productive and fun together, and share our love for Disney at the same time. So, we got the Disney Train and Station Lego set from
Yeah.
Lego.com.
Yeah, and it's about $330 on Lego.com. We'll put the link below.
Yeah.
It is about 2,900 pieces.
Right.
A big set, a steep price, but it's
Yeah.
totally worth it if you have kids and you want to spend time with them.
Right. We had a lot of fun putting it together. It took us about, a week. A week.
A good week.
Yeah, a good week. A little bit each day for a week.
Yeah. And we filmed this about a week ago,
Yeah.
and we decided to put all these footage together in a speed build for you guys to see what we struggled with and what we enjoyed the most. And at the end of this video, we actually talked about what we thought about this set.
Right. So we hope you have as much fun watching it as we did putting it together.
Yes. Enjoy.
Oh, you meant that castle?
Yeah. The top. You shake that candelier. It's like a chandelier.
That's good.
Love those curtains. So what do you think?
Yeah. I wish they gave you double figures.
What do you mean?
So you could like put them in front and the back, and then on the train.
Okay.
You
So
know what I
like
mean?
so
You're
so you
looking
can
at
so you
it.
can rotate them.
Well, so you don't have to waste. So they just, they could be one set here, one set at work, and then one set on a train. You know what I mean?
Right. So if you turn it around, I think we should have what you said.
What if you did this with the train like that? Is that better?
Right about here, I like them there better than what it's presented.
What do
What
you
presented was this, right?
Yeah.
Like where, let's see, Mickey's on a train,
Oh, I
Dale
got you.
in a train,
You like the characters?
Yeah.
Okay.
and then
Well, they're conductors. That's fine.
so this okay. Well, I give this 10 out of 10. It was the first thing that I didn't like was the main train.
Mm-hmm. That was the hardest one.
That was the hardest one.
This guy.
Yeah, the front of the train. And then this is where we keep the battery. I can lift it up. And that's the button you can control with your phone.
Mm-hmm.
There's an app for that. And then what I like about those, so you can actually lift up and put all the characters in there. My camera's not focusing. There you go. In there. And that's just an extra train. So, yeah, took us forever to go through. This is page 4, well, 1 out of 4. All these steps, I'm not revealing.
This was difficult. Easy.
Easiest.
Difficult, easy. Mostly easy. Everything on here was mostly easy except for maybe these guys over here. But then it got easy once I noticed my mistake.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, but then, the rest is pretty good.
I like how the doors actually opens up.
Yeah.
If you demonstrate that.
Right there.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Swim.
So, sorry, do it again. I'll push it in.
Yeah. Oh, they push in.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's right. So they push in.
And then even that one here, it's the balcony.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's cool. We can put them up there.
It's like a glass. Yeah.
That's cool.
Well, I like it.
You can put them up here.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that's cool.
We can move them around. So we're thinking about placing them somewhere in our house. So
Yeah.
you will find out. All right.
So cute, baby.
Alright, so those are the pieces that we went through. All of this.